This isn't just another smartwatch. This is Galaxy Watch 8, and it might be just perfect balance of style, smarts, and everyday usability. I'm talking about design, super bright display, smartwatch performance, and it feels next gen. But there's one real compromise. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to Series 21. Today we're doing a full review on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. We are comparing design, specs, workout training, battery life, and how it fits into a real life. Let's get straight into it.
Right out of the box, you get the watch, a sporty strap, and the magnetic charger. Nothing crazy, just clean, minimal packaging. The moment you hold the watch, it feels light, premium, and very wearable. This 40mm size is small enough to be stylish, yet big enough to make the screen actually useful. Let's talk about the design. It's slim at 8.6mm thick and weighs only about 30 grams, making it surprisingly comfortable even after a long day. You've got a super AMOLED display with sapphire crystal protection. It's vibrant, sharp, and popping even outdoors. And that always on display isn't just a net trick, it's actually reliable in bronze sunlight. Under the hood, Samsung packs an Exynos W1000 processor paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB storage, all running Wear OS 6 with One UI Watch 8, which means fast, fluid performance across the board. Swiping through menus, launching workouts, checking notifications, everything feels snappy and polished. Now here where it gets really interesting. The Watch 8 supports automatic workout recognition, meaning you don't always have to tap start. It will detect when you're walking, running, cycling or lifting and start tracking on its own. That's a big win for real-world use. The sensors inside, including heart rate, temperature, accelerometer, barometer, gyro, and more, and are incredibly accurate and consistent. And features like stress tracking, sleep analytics, and daily step tracking make this feel like a complete health suit. Quick shout out to Hevy, the gym app I use all the time with this watch. It's super clean, easy to use, and lets you log your workouts right on your wrist. No phone needed. This makes tracking sets and rest times totally seamless, especially with the Galaxy Watch 8. I'll drop a link in the description if you wanna try it out. Okay, now let's talk about battery, probably the most honest part of this review. The 40mm come with a 325 mAh battery, and in real life that usually means about a day to a day and a half of mixed use. With all-day activity tracking and automatic workouts, you're likely to be charging every night. So if your battery life is your number one priority, keep that in mind. But for the day-to-day use, this thing is crazy comfortable. You've worn it from morning workouts to work to sleep tracking and you barely notice it. It's lightweight, low profile, and the strap doesn't irritate your skin. Compared to older Galaxy watches, this one isn't a massive upgrade on paper, but the refinement is real. You've got better display, brightness, a lighter design, faster UI, and actual depth to the fitness tracking. These are the kinds of changes that matter in everyday life. So who should get this? If you want the stylish smartwatch that actually feels premium, tracks your workouts intelligently, and gives you real health insight, this is one of the best small smartwatches on the market. But if you absolutely need multi-day battery, you prefer a larger watch or different brand.
So who should get this? If you want a stylish smartwatch that actually feels premium, tracks your workout, tracks your steps, and gives you real health insight, this is one of the best smartwatches you can buy right now. But if you absolutely need multi-day battery, you might prefer a larger watch or a different brand. Overall, the Galaxy Watch 8 feels very good. Hits that sweet spot between fitness, fashion, and tech. It's light, powerful, accurate, and feels genuinely fun to use. The battery isn't perfect, but that's the only real drawback in the Sea of Strength. I'd give it a 9 out of 10 because it's one of the best all-round watches you can buy right now. If you enjoyed this honest review, please like that video and consider subscribing for more premium tech content. And comment what you want me to review next. Peace!